Take it. And pull it. Take it. Whole handful. Yeah, that's right. Good job! Good job, honey. Want to get some more? No. No, that's not safe. Get down, please. You can reach. Here. I'll tip it for you. Do you want to pull some out? Or should I pull it out?
I put it out.
It's cold in there.
Pumpkin.
It is pumpkin. No, I'm not going to eat it. We don't eat it raw. You gotta get this all cleaned out, because then we'll make a face. We'll carve a face into it and put a candle in it and make it a jack-o'-lantern. Pull some more stuff out. Pull, pull. It's slippery, isn't it? Good job. Okay.
That tickles.
Does it tickle? Slimy, isn't it? It's
slimy. It's slimy. It's slimy.
Slimy. Say slimy.
Slimy.
Yeah, it's slimy. It's really cold in there.
Slimy.
Okay, don't touch